how you make.
Are you ready for it? Are you ready for it? You should see the things we do. Are you ready for it?
Welcome to Cooking with Fabulous Annie. This is Christmas time. Merry Christmas, everyone! I'm going to show you guys how to make macaroni and cheese. That's what I'm making. It's simple, easy, everything. First of all, we had this. You know, you buy it from Walmart. It's a Walmart. It's really easy. Everything, you boil it for some time. So we already have this already boiled already. And then you want to boil it in such a way that it's not so done, you know, but it's close. Yeah. So we have this already. So what we're gonna do next is that we're gonna add in some milk, and then we're gonna add in some cheese. Okay. So we're gonna add in 1 cup of milk. Yeah. So let's wash this quickly. Yeah. So we're gonna add in 1 cup of milk inside.
It is a good movie. It's kind of
Can you see that? You can add 2. I just don't want mine too, like, you know, soggy. I'm gonna use like a lot of cheese with mine. So I'm using Velveeta cheese. So I'm gonna use probably half of it, you know. We can probably use, I think we can probably use like the whole of it, you know, but I don't know, I'm gonna see. So this is the Velveeta cheese in it. Yeah, I'll take it out. Yeah, you get Velveeta cheese, you know, places they sell cheese at, you know. So we're gonna really cool, smells pretty good, tastes really good too. You know, pretty cool. Yeah, so this is like an easy menu, you know, for macaroni and cheese. You know, some people go in deep in this thing, you know, baking it and everything.
Hey, Mama.
Yeah.
I have a question.
Yeah.
Is the macaroni and cheese meant for the side or is it a whole dish?
Sometimes it can be a side or sometimes it can be a whole dish, you know. Yeah, so pretty cool. Yeah. You have more questions to ask me? Come on this side.
Yeah. Okay. Another question.
So this is the way. Let me take a sip.
How does this thing melt in the thing, or do you like keep on mixing up and makes like you put
No, but we can put it. We put it in the oven. On the fire. But you see, it's always good to cut like this. You can always put it. You can always, you know, put a chunk in it if you want to, but it creates surface area and makes the cheese melt faster. Oh. This is my middle child, Alea.
Yeah, mine is Alea.
Yeah. So this is it. I just like hold this and I cut it in there.
So that means like if you put it into little tiny bits, it spreads more?
Yeah, it's easier to melt. That's what I'm saying. It's easier, it melts faster than for you to be there like trying to make this thing melt like forever. So that's why I'm cutting it into little chunks. You can put like the whole chunk in it and sit down there, be stirring it if you want to, but it's easier to melt this way. So this is it. So we've done like half of the cheese. So this is it. We don't forget we already added 1 of this on it already. So we're gonna put some black pepper.
Why do you add pepper there?
You just add extra seasoning to it. That's it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So you can add like some extra pepper. You see that? It smells so good. This is like,
so what's your favorite thing about macaroni and cheese?
Because my son loves it. That's why I make it.
You know, I remember back
I'm
then.
not really like.
Back then, my mom used to make this for me all the time.
Yeah, I'm not really like a big macaroni and cheese kind of person. But you see this? You see this? So you're gonna put this on the fire and allow it to the cheese to melt, and you're gonna have like a phenomenal what do you call it, macaroni and cheese. Really easy meal.
So cool.
Yeah, really easy meal. I guess you can, if you wanted to, you can add like, but I don't think you need salt, especially when you have this Velveeta cheese in it.
Would
you know,
it be
it's really cool.
Really?
Yeah, but you need to put it on a low heat because you want the cheese to dissolve. Did you see that? You can even add, you know, more cheese to it. You can add more cheese to it if you want to.
So it makes it more creamy?
Yeah,
Creamy?
extra.
So like, what would you describe macaroni and cheese?
What would you describe how? You tell me.
Like, I would describe macaroni and cheese as creamy
Yeah.
and a little bit like soft.
Yeah.
I would describe it yummy, yellow,
Yeah.
and tasty.
So this is it. Like, I just wanted to make only 2 macaroni and cheese on the side. So don't forget we already had milk in it. So we're gonna put it on low heat and just allow it to simmer and get ready for us. So that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna put it on low heat. Don't forget, if you are watching my videos, this is a whole Christmas meal that I'm making. So I already have my mom's potato salad going on this one. I have greens going here. I have turkey in the oven, yeah, going. And then we're making mashed potatoes too, going too. So, and then I'm gonna use the turkey neck and everything to make a gravy that we're gonna eat with the mashed potatoes. I'm just making like a variety of food, you know, so that whatever who wants to eat this will have the opportunity to eat, you know. So that's what we're gonna do. So don't forget, we're gonna put this on very low heat. So we're gonna put it on very low heat. Just allow it to simmer, you know, let the cheese melt. That's what we're gonna do with this. Yeah. So what we're doing, so that's what we'll have already. And then you can add more cheese to it, you know, if you want to, but it's pretty easy. This is like such an easy meal, guys. You know, very easy meal. You can make it more, you know, crispy if you want to add more things to it. That's up to you.
You can add.
I like, sometimes simplicity of the meal is maybe the best. I don't know. Or more fabulous, I don't know, but that's how I do my things, really easy. I like easy meals. I don't have to stress myself about, you know, so that's it. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like later on, but that was just pretty easy. Yeah. So I'm gonna keep this aside and then later on add some more stuff to it. So that's macaroni and also add more nutritional value to it, you know. So that's it, you know. So I'm gonna add this. Just give me an idea. So I'm gonna add this to it. Don't forget, just put it on low heat and then just allow it to, you're gonna drink all that at you? Yeah, so just add it to it and then it'll make it more, that's fine. No, it's gonna make it more, more colorful, you know. So we have greens going. Check out my previous videos. We have greens going right now. Like everything is going gradually. Our chicken is already at 100. 100 Fahrenheit. We're trying to get it to 200 or 180. So that's what it. Oh, turkey. Sorry, turkey. So this is it. Yeah. So that's it. We have all our meals going all at once. We're gonna clean up and then get ready to start doing garnishing touches or finishing touches to everything that's going on. So don't forget, this is Cooking with Fabulous Annie.
And her kids.
And, okay, she's like kids, okay. Yeah, and then if you have questions, ask me. If you have new recipes you want me to try, let me know. I am open to everything, to new adventures, to new, what do you call it? To new ideas and everything, you know. We are all in the process of learning, process of growing, and having fun. Love you guys.
Love you.
Bye, everyone.
Always be fabulous and stay fabulous and fabulous. And also, Merry Christmas.